Babawi rin ako. Leader Arc is loading. Just wait.
Hi, Tali!
Hi, Frankie. Totoo ba to? Binabati mo na ako?
Or not?
So you mean, napatawad niyo na ako?
Not exactly. But we're considering it. Lalo na si Addison.
Where is she?
Ayaw pa niya makita in public. You know the drill, image protection. But she's willing to give you a chance. That said, pinapapunta ka niya sa abandoned building sa campus later, 6 p.m. Are you down?
Abandoned building? Are you for real?
Tali, listen. Ayaw ka pa niya makita with her sa open area. Not yet. Not yet until ma-fix niyo everything. So what now? Are you in or not? One-time offer lang to, girl. It's giving now or never. Come on.